Once upon a time, in the lush, verdant forest of whispering woods, lived a small, vibrant red panda named Reddy. Reddy was known for his fiery red fur and playful antics, but he had a problem: he was constantly causing mischief. One day, Reddy's playfulness led him to a farmer's field. He found a basket of ripe, juicy pears and couldn't resist the temptation. He ate as many as he could carry, leaving the farmer heartbroken. The next day, the farmer saw Reddy and, instead of anger, he felt a strange sense of sympathy. He remembered his own youth and the temptations he had faced. He decided to teach Reddy a lesson, not out of anger, but out of love for the forest and its inhabitants. The farmer went to the forest and called out to Reddy, "Little Red, come here. I have a task for you." Reddy, always eager for an adventure, followed the farmer. The farmer handed Reddy a small, empty basket and said, "Take this. Go to the field and collect as many pears as you can. But remember, you must only take what is given to you." Reddy, filled with excitement, rushed to the field. He reached the basket and, to his surprise, the farmer was already there, filling it with pears. Reddy helped, but as soon as the basket was full, he found himself unable to carry more. Reddy realized that no matter how much he wanted, he couldn't take more than what was given. He felt a sense of understanding, a lesson learned. Back at the forest, Reddy thanked the farmer. From that day forward, he stopped his mischievous ways and became a beloved figure in Whispering Woods, a symbol of redemption and wisdom. And so, the story of Little Red serves as a reminder: take only what is given, for in life, we cannot always have more than we are given.